Send emails to clients automatically. Rather than manually sending the same emails repeatedly to update clients or request information, you can configure your pipeline to send emails automatically as jobs progress through your firm. The automation requires pipeline stages that automatically send emails when jobs enter them. When you add the Send Email automation to a stage, any job entering that stage immediately sends your email to all contacts linked to the client account. The automation triggers without requiring action from your team or the client. Your email template defines what clients receive. If you don't have a template ready, you can create one while setting up the automation by selecting New Template directly from the automation settings. Templates work best for standard communications you send regularly: organizer instructions, document requests, status updates, or completion notifications. You can use shortcodes and templates to personalize each email with client-specific details like names, dates, or custom field data. You typically won't want separate stages just for sending emails. Instead, add the Send Email automation to existing stages where communication naturally occurs. Stages where you're requesting documents, confirming receipt, or notifying clients their work is ready. When adding the Send Email automation to a stage, you'll see the template settings including who sends the email and who manages the thread. These are configured in your email template, and you'll see those settings reflected here. If you need to adjust these settings for this specific automation, you have two options. You can select Go to Template to edit the template itself, which changes how it works everywhere you use it. Or you can toggle on Customize to modify sender just for this automation without affecting the template elsewhere. When you customize the sender, you have three options. You can select a specific team member, which sends the email from that person. The selected team member must have their email synced with TaxDome. You can choose Job Assignee, which sends the email from whoever's currently assigned to the job. If multiple assignees exist, the email sends from the first one listed. This keeps communication coming from the team member actually doing the work. Or you can select Role, which sends from whoever holds a specific role for this client, like their tax preparer, account manager, or reviewer. This maintains consistency when the same person handles specific responsibilities across all of a client's work. Once you completed adding Send Email automations, save your changes, and here you go.